guys? Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to Lisbon, Portugal. And today we're going on a little bit of an adventure, a little bit of a road trip. Kind of a bunch of scooters back here, got a bunch of friends as well. And we're going from Lisbon to Sintra, which is the place that has all of the colorful castles. If you don't know what I'm talking about, trust me, it's super cool. Without further ado, let's get this vlog rolling. And yeah, welcome to Lisbon. Oh, high five, brother. Jason, you ready? Woo. Stage, you ready?
Ready.
Andre, Gene, you guys ready?
Let's freaking go!
Hi ho, Silva!
Away!
All right, road trip update. We are right now at Cabo de Roca, which is like the most western point in all of continental Europe. So we're at the westiest, the pointiest part of continental Europe. And yeah, it's basically just a big rock with a cross on it that says Cabo de Roca, a lighthouse, and then a bunch of tourists. But it feels pretty good to get off the bike. And there's some pretty epic views. The crew back there. Gene, give me a wave. Oh, look at them. Hey, Gene, can you explain the difference between the westernmost point in continental Europe and the westernmost point in all of Europe?
Yeah.
Can you explain?
Yeah. It's cool. Yes, Justin, I sure can. Okay, so this is on the continent of Europe.
Okay.
And it's the most western point you can drive to across Europe without getting on a boat. And then the westernmost point of Europe, I learned today, is the Azores. And you have to take a boat there.
It's the what?
Azores.
Where's that?
Portugal. Azores. It's islands.
Fun facts with Gene.
Yeah, fun facts with Gene. Tune in next time.
One more fun fact.
Okay, not only are the Azores the most western point in all of Europe, it's also the pineapple capital of the world. Most of the world's pineapples are grown in the Azores.
Really?
Whoa, that is a fun fact.
That's the funnest fact.
It's true. This is bullshit.
Gene, what did we just find out?
That I was lied to, and it's not the world's biggest pineapple producer.
I hate Google.
It's not even top 10.
Wow.
Lied to.
It's not even
And I've
The
told like hundreds of people this fact.
Oh, you deceived the viewers. This is so...
I was deceived. My world is totally...
I think you're going to be researching this more when you get home. All right,
to question everything now.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Thank
you so
much.
And
I'm sure it's good.
Fun shit.
We were listening to Beyonce. What were you guys listening to?
My snow.
Later!
Daddy, open your mouth.
Oh! One more time. Oh! All right. Pro tip: don't take the tuk-tuks up there. You can totally walk. They say it's gonna be like a 25-minute walk up there. You're gonna save all that time. It will take you like 10 minutes to walk up. It's not worth the €5 per person for the tuk-tuk. Thank you. One. Whoa. All right, guys, welcome to Sintra, probably one of the coolest castles I have ever been to. And for obvious reason, look how colorful it is. It's like reds, yellows, blues, pinks. And unlike most medieval castles, which are dull and boring on the outside, this thing just like takes it to a whole nother level. And that's why it's one of my all-time favorite castles, or new favorite castles. I act like I have like an all-time favorite castles list. I don't, but I'm gonna say this one definitely tops the list here, and I really have no details about it, like when it was built, who lived here, any of that stuff. We're just gonna kind of walk around and check it out. Pro tip, you can pay to go inside the castle, but I don't think you really need to unless you're kind of a castle geek, which is totally okay. But we just paid to go on the outside, and I think that's totally gonna be fine. So without further ado, let's go check this place out. Oh, this is freaking cool. Everyone left me behind. I was running, getting some amazing shots. I mean, you guys saw, they were amazing shots. But everyone left me. Now they're jumping back on their scooters. And I'm late.
Alright, so folks.
Let's rock and roll. Text you and tell you that. Whoa. Guys, great trip. High fives all around.
Wait, so we're all gonna follow Andre, drop him off, and then...
Oh yeah. Woo! High fives. Andre, get in there. Last but not least. Oh! Guys, we did it. That was Sintra. Short, quick, sweet little vlog. Such a cool castle. But that's where I'm gonna end it. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching. And yeah, so the show is over. The vlog is done. I will see you guys in the next video. Woo!